Greetings, I'm Ryan from iThemeland, specializing in WordPress and Woocommerce. In this tutorial, we're going to find out how to inline edit product image or gallery in WooCommerce bulk product editing plugin. Inline editing product image or gallery in WooCommerce bulk product editing plugin makes it easy for you to change the picture of each product in less than a few seconds directly from the product table. Since the purpose of inline edit is enabling you to edit the features from the product table, before doing anything, you need to add the proper columns to the table. So, to make the product image available in the product table, you need to first click on Column Profiles button, and then mark Thumbnail and Gallery in the Column Profiles form, and then go ahead and click on Apply to Table. As you can see, two columns are added to the product table, and we are now able to inline edit any of them when we click on the image or gallery button. Inline editing product image. By clicking on one of the images in the product table, you'll see a pop-up which includes some options, the first of which is removing image. By clicking on this button, the thumbnail will be removed from that product. And then we have pen edit icon. By clicking on the pen, you will be directed to the media library where you can replace or edit the thumbnail. Now, in the media library, which has the default format of WordPress media libraries, you can do things like choose an image from the existing ones. You can add some information to your image such as alt text, title, etc. You can edit the selected thumbnail by clicking on Edit Image, which directs you to a new page, including some options for cutting, rotating, or resizing the thumbnail. You can also upload a new image by opening the Upload File tab and then drag and drop your image from your device. Once you edit your thumbnail, this new thumbnail will be assigned to your product by clicking on Choose Image button. Now let's talk about inline editing product gallery. Inline editing product gallery is somehow similar to the inline editing product image. The only difference is that when you click on the gallery button in the product table, you'll see a new pop-up that enables you to assign more than one images to the gallery of that product by clicking on the plus option. For example, for this product, we're gonna choose this picture, and then by clicking on Choose Image, it's going to be added to the product gallery. And as you can see, some images are added to the gallery of this product. Now by clicking on Apply Changes, those images will be assigned to that product. As shown here, if you have already assigned some pictures to the gallery of any products and now you want to delete them, you can just click on the gallery button and select X on the image that you want to delete. After that, you need to click on the Apply Changes button.